What's up, Mobley Culture? It's your girl Danica back with another video, and the curls are back. So I washed my hair the other day. In my previous video, I got my hair straightened to get my hair trimmed and get some layers cut into it, and that's all over and done with. You won't see the straight hair for another year or so. So the curls are back, the natural hair is back, and I'm loving this. So this is my flat twist out tutorial. So if you want to know how I achieved this here cute flat twist out, please stay tuned and keep watching. Um, Man, this just really came out really good, and I'm loving the layers that I got in my hair. It's just so cute, if I may say so myself. It really gives my hair a whole new shape, a whole new life. I'm just really digging this. So please stay tuned to see the tutorial on how I do my flat twist out. I believe that I've really mastered the twist out over the last 4 years, and so I've gotten pretty good at it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and enjoy the video. Until next time, y'all, deuces. So we are starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And the deep conditioner that I used was the Texture ID deep conditioner. And this was my first time using Texture ID. I heard a lot of good things about it, and I really liked it. It was their moisture and strengthening deep conditioner. I believe it's like a pink bottle, but I'll put a picture within this video so you can see what that looks like. But really made my hair nice and soft, and I just really enjoyed it, and it smells wonderful. It has a nice fresh smelling scent. But anyway, so what I'm doing is just kind of separating my hair in 4 sections, and just preparing to start my like the process that I go through to moisturize my hair, and also prepare to put my hair in the flat twist. So what I'm showing you there is the aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel as just an extra layer of moisture. I always apply the aloe vera gel first to my hair. You can also apply it to your scalp. It's really good for scalp health. Like I said, it's good to moisturize your hair. And you can also use an actual aloe vera leaf as well, and just put it right on your hair and your scalp. And then that, of course, was Jamaican black castor oil with the peppermint oil. I also apply that to my scalp, helps stimulate my scalp, helps promote growth. And then castor oil, because it is so thick, it's a good moisture sealant. So my next layer after I put on the aloe vera gel is I put the castor oil on my scalp as well as on my hair to help seal in the moisture. Next is my leave-in, and it's one of my favorites, of course, Camille Rose, the coconut water leave-in. It's such a good leave-in conditioner. Like I said, the consistency is not necessarily thick consistency, but it's like a heavy weighted type of moisture or leave-in. So I really love this particular leave-in. And there's my daughter making an appearance. That's my baby girl. She had to get in on this video.
I mean, there you can see my face except for the what's it called, intro?
She's also my assistant in a lot of our videos. She helps us out in setting up the camera and all that good stuff. So I just brush all of that in, make sure everything is evenly distributed. And then I start to section my hair out to start the flat twist. And a flat twist, if you've never done a flat twist before, it's just like doing French braids, only you're using 2 strands of hair instead of 3. And flat twists are very easy. If I can do a flat twist, anybody can do a flat twist, because I absolutely cannot French braid, but I can flat twist. And before I start my flat twist, I use my other favorite from Camille Rose, their Twisting Almond Jai. I use that for all of my twist outs. Really helps to define your curls. It helps with the hold. It helps to soften your hair. It helps with moisture. It's just really, it's a really good twisting butter. So that is my staple. That is my ride or die, the Almond Joy twisting butter from Camille Rose. And then I just go ahead and proceed to flat twisting my hair. And I prefer to do flat twist outs because it's so much quicker to do than the single individual twist. And then also doing flat twist, it kind of helps to flatten out your roots, to make sure your roots aren't too, thick and full. But if you like thick, full roots, then hey, do you. But I like for my roots to kind of be more, what's the word I'm looking for? Settled or not as thick. So I always do flat twist outs. And then I just twirl the ends when I get to the bottom, and twirl the ends and go to the next section. And I typically do 3 flat twists in the front, and then in the back I split the back into 2 sections, and I'll do four on the top section and 4 on the bottom section. So I have about, 12 flat twists in my hair when it's all said and done. So this is the next evening. The day after I put my twist in, I actually wore my hair like this to work. I just kind of pulled the twist back into a ponytail so I don't look so much like Old Dog from Minister Society. But anyway, I put some serum on my hair from Texture ID just to help give it a little shine. And I proceed to unraveling the twist. And you want to try to be as gentle and go as slow as you possibly can unraveling, to prevent a lot of frizz. I tend to not go as slow, I guess because I've been doing it for so long. I kind of rush through it, but just to try to prevent a lot of frizz, you want to take the twist down as slow and gently as possible. And that's another reason why I use the serum, as to just another barrier to try to help smooth out any frizz or any flyaways when unraveling the twist. And voila, this is the finished look. All the twists have been taken out, and this is what it's looking like. Day 1 twist out hair. And I was really pleased with the results. I'm really loving the layers that I got cut in my hair. It's really giving my hair a nice shape, which I desperately needed. And there I'm just kind of fluffing it a little bit, which I don't do a lot of fluffing because each day my hair is going to get bigger and bigger on its own. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Deuces.